Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing tips for beginners in 2019. This is going to help you to have more sales in your business. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, I'm going to give you 3 tips for beginners to make sales with affiliate marketing. And these are the things that have allowed me to have a lot of success in my business. And some of these you may not think are important, but the first one to me is the most important because I see a lot of people struggling. They see other people making sales online and having all kinds of success, and they keep jumping from program to program and trying to figure out why is it that they're not making sales. The first one is vital. You have to set goals, write them down, and work on your inner money game. And I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video to a blog post that I did on this exact topic, because I, again, have a lot of people coming to me and wondering why they aren't successful because they're doing all the right things or set everything up right, they're running traffic, and they're just not getting any sales. So what I did in this blog post is I put together the 3 videos that I had done about this topic, and the first one is why Paulo Barroso, who now makes 7 figures, figured out why he wasn't making sales for like 5 or 6 years and struggling, and how he discovered what the secret was. And then I'd go on to share with you exactly how to correct that problem in the next 2 videos, how to set goals, and then 2 videos that have been vital for me and instrumental in my success is The Strangest Secret and You Were Born Rich, which is a 10-hour seminar on how to work on your inner money game. So that's the first thing that I would highly recommend, and I tell a lot of people to do this, but not everyone does. So the second one is to become a content creator and a problem solver. And when I realized this, my mentor told me this a long time ago with my YouTube marketing, and I had a huge shift because a lot of times people go out and they're just like trying to make that sale, and that's all they're worried about, which yes, that's ultimately what we want to do, is make sales. But when you think about, let me become a person of value, somebody that people will come to help them to solve their problems, and you build an audience of people who know, like, and trust you because you are somebody who provides value. Great example is that a friend of mine who's a great business partner and marketer, Dee the Car Lady, because she creates content on her channel about different topics that people are maybe struggling with, like how to create a lead capture page, how to do whatever in this particular business opportunity, like how to do financing for Easy One Up, those kind of things. So people are having these problems, and maybe they're not going to join her in that opportunity, but they see her as somebody who provides value all the time, and they just join her because they know, like, and trust her. That's just the way that it works. And a great way to do that is to do product reviews and to do tutorials, and not have the intent like I'm going to sell somebody on this video, but I'm going to figure out the problems that people have and I'm going to solve them. That's the second thing that's super important. And the third one is to offer bonuses by creating an irresistible offer. So think about, like, when you're watching TV, you see some product, and then they offer this bonus that you're like, I can't even resist this because the bonus is so valuable, let alone get the product. So when you can learn how to do that, then people will buy from you as opposed to someone else offering the same exact product. And just kind of an aside from that I'm working on as well is if you can do create a bridge page. So between the offer and the sale, you can do a video of yourself as to how this product helped you get results, and then that way people know you rather than just going to the product sales page. But by creating an irresistible offer, that's going to, again, set you apart from other people. But let me show you an example of an irresistible offer, because when you see the value of the offer compared to what you're paying for the product, and then it's so much higher, it just makes it like you just can't resist it. So here's an example. This is one that I use, and you're probably wondering, if I'm a beginner, how am I going to offer these bonuses? You could do something not as elaborate as this, maybe offering 30 minutes of your time as coaching, or something where you can help that person, help them set up their system or something like that. You know, if you have the time to do that, because that's a lot of times what people worry about, is they're like, I don't know if I'll be able to figure this out. So you can help them to do that. But also, if you join our team, you're able to actually use this. If you have to have ClickFunnels, but you're able to use this exact sales pages, which is what my mentor has allowed us to do, until you get to the point where you can offer your own bonuses that are of value like this. So this is an example of a bonus, an irresistible offer. So if someone joins me and the leaderboard affiliate at the $497 level or higher, they get this for absolutely free. And there's a video showing how these bonuses are worth $5,000, which to me, this bonus has allowed me to make tens of thousands of dollars with Josh's bonuses, which is the tube traffic selling system, YouTube course, high converting affiliate offers. You can use the ad copy and everything, so it's basically plug and play. You have implementation videos. Then we have on here testimonials. This is me right here. And so then we have Paulo Barroso, who is a 7-figure income earner, as I mentioned. His massive traffic formula, he uses paid media, and then you have access to all of his traffic sources, his opt-in pages that he's using, the psychology of using good copy and why people buy from you, why building an email list is your biggest asset and how to do it the right way. And then we have more testimonials, so people see this is actually working for them. This is my friend I was talking about, D. And then we have Fraser McDonald's bonuses. And this is his 7-figure free Facebook traffic that he's used to create a 7-figure income. And he travels the world. He's only 28 years old. He's been to 55 different countries. And this is totally different from anything that I've ever learned. But it's so simple and it works so well. And this is another one of the bonuses we offer. And again, this is for if you come in at the $497 level or higher, but the bonus is worth tens of thousands of dollars. It has been to me. And so we got more testimonials here. And then being a part of the Elevation team, you have access to the Funnel Express system, our high converting email series, private mentoring group, sales funnels and tools, weekly Saturday question and answer calls that you can get on with Josh, my mentor, get all your questions answered, and then the opportunity to get into the traffic rotator. Depending on which level you join, you can be in the traffic rotator here. And then how to access the bonuses. We got more testimonials here. But again, if you're brand new and you want to be able to use a bonus like this, then you can join our team. But you can set up something that's not as elaborate. But to me, something like what I just showed you is an irresistible offer. Like a lot of people join just because of the offer. So I hope you guys found some value. This has been what has allowed me to have some really good success in my business, and affiliate marketing tips are what has allowed me to have some great success, because any tips that I get from my mentor, I implement them. And because you find somebody who's gone before you and has success and you model after them, then you can have success as well. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below this video. And again, if you want more content like this, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. If you need to contact me for any reason, I have my contact information in the description below this video as well. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online and the bonuses that I just mentioned, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.